buying things at a shop. Good morning. Welcome here.
Good morning. Thank you.
Can I help you?
Yes, I need fruit.
What fruit do you need?
I want some apples.
Red or green apples?
Red apples, please.
How many you want?
I want 4 apples.
Here are 4 apples.
Thank you very much.
Anything else, sir?
Yes, I need bananas.
How many bananas today?
I need 6 bananas.
Okay, here are bananas.
Thank you. Very fresh.
Do you need vegetables?
Yes, I need carrots.
How many carrots, sir?
2 kilos of carrots.
Here are 2 kilos.
Thank you kindly.
Do you need potatoes?
Yes, I need potatoes.
How many kilos, sir?
1 kilo is enough.
Okay, 1 kilo potatoes.
Thank you very much.
Anything else you need?
Yes, I need rice.
Small bag or big?
1 small bag, please.
Here's your rice bag.
Perfect. Thank you.
Do you need drinks?
Yes, orange juice, please.
Big bottle or small?
1 big bottle, please.
Here's a big bottle.
Thank you. Very good.
Do you need bread?
Yes, 1 bread loaf.
Fresh bread. Here you go.
Wow, smells very good.
Yes, baked this morning.
That's nice. Thank you.
Do you want eggs?
Yes, I need eggs.
How many eggs today?
1 dozen, please.
Here are 12 eggs.
Thank you so much.
Anything else to buy?
Yes, I need milk.
Small box or big?
2 small boxes.
Here are 2 boxes.
Thank you. Very kind.
Do you need chicken?
Yes, 1 kilo chicken.
Fresh chicken or frozen?
Fresh chicken, please.
Here's 1 kilo chicken.
Thank you very much.
Do you need fish?
No, Not today, thanks.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Do you have cheese?
Yes, fresh cheese here.
I'll take some cheese.
How much cheese, sir?
Half kilo, please.
Here is your cheese.
Thank you. Perfect size.
Anything else, sir?
Yes, I need soap.
Bar soap or liquid?
Bar soap, please.
How many bars, sir?
3 bars of soap.
Here are 3 soaps.
Thank you very much.
Do you want shampoo?
Yes, 1 bottle shampoo.
Here is 1 bottle.
Thank you kindly.
Anything else, sir?
Yes, I need sugar.
How many kilos sugar?
2 kilos of sugar.
Here are 2 kilos.
Thank you. Looks good.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Small pack or large?
Small pack, please.
Here's your coffee pack.
Thank you. Very nice.
Anything more today?
No, that is enough.
Okay, let's check items.
Yes, please check them.
Apples, bananas, carrots, potatoes.
Yes, that is correct.
Rice, juice, bread, eggs.
Yes, all correct.
Milk, chicken, cheese, soap.
Yes, very good.
Shampoo, sugar, coffee also.
Yes, that's everything.
Total is $30.
Here's $30.
Thank you. Exact change.
You're welcome.
Do you want bag?
Yes, 1 bag, please.
Here's your shopping bag.
Thank you very much.
Please come again soon.
Yes, I surely will.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care. Talking to a taxi driver.
Hello, sir. Need taxi? Yes, I need taxi. Where are you going? I go to city. Please get inside, sir. Thank you very much. Which place in city? Central Market, please. Okay, Central Market today. Yes, that's correct, sir. Do you have time? Yes, I have time. Traffic is heavy now. That's okay, no hurry. Do you like music? Yes, soft music, please. Okay, I play music. Thank you, very nice. Are you from here? No, I am visitor. Where are you from? I'm from USA. Oh, USA is nice. Yes, very beautiful country. How long you stay? Just 1 week here. You like this city? Yes, very much, sir. Good food here also. Yes, I tried already. Which food you liked? I liked fried noodles. Ah, very tasty dish. Yes, sir, very delicious food. Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee. We have good coffee. That's good to hear. Do you work here? No, I am tourist. Oh, enjoy your trip. Thank you very much. Do you need guide? No, I manage myself. Okay, no problem, sir. Is market far away? About 15 minutes. That's fine, thank you. Do you need hotel? No, I have hotel. Which hotel you stay? I stay at Green Hotel. Oh, that's a good. Yes, very clean place. Do you need Wi-Fi? No, I have data. Okay, good for you. How long you drive? 10 years, taxi driver. Wow, that's long time. Yes, I enjoy driving. Do you like job? Yes, I like meeting people.
That's really very nice.
Do you drive every day?
Yes, sir. Morning to evening.
That's very hard work.
Yes, but I am happy.
Good to hear that. Do you like travel? Yes, I love travel. Travel is very fun. Yes, I learn much. Do you like shopping? Yes, sometimes I shop. Market has cheap things. Good, I will look. We are near market. That's very fast, thanks. Do you want stop here? Yes, stop right here. Okay, I stop now. Thank you very much. You're welcome, sir. How much is fare? $10 only. Here's $10. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Please keep my card. Oh, thank you kindly. Call me any time, sir. Yes, I will call. Have a good day. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Take care.